time I heard that. What? Because those Husqvarna saws are really sharp. Why are you laughing so hard, sir? Did I miss something?
Just a little.
Oh, sorry. Anyway, moving on. Ta-da!
Yeah, what is it?
I created life.
Huh?
I created life.
I heard you, I'm still lost.
Oh, Lacey, I got up early this morning. I got a buddy, he lives just west of town here.
Yes.
He's got this little hobby farm thing going on.
Okay.
He was at the barn milking one of these things.
Oh, wait, but isn't it supposed to be on the other side?
Oh, did you
I
say
got laughed
other?
somewhere.
He laughed. Dude's still laughing. Yeah, well, you know what? You are right. They point down. They're down like that.
Oh, he made a chair. Let's give a chair to Darren. He made a chair.
You know what? That's actually way better than a cow, too. I could use a chair.
What are you doing now?
Well, it was hard work. I thought I'd take a lumberjack coffee break before we carried on.
And how long is that going to take?
Well, you know what? I was only